The other night, I opened my phone gallery and saw an app scanning my photos. And Google itself installed it without me knowing. Believe me, at first I thought I was seeing things wrong. Your phone might feel very safe right now. This is not just on my phone, it might be happening on your phone this very moment. Today I will show you how to find these hidden systems. They have the power to scan your private photos and messages. Let's get into my phone screen right now. I am showing it live, no editing. After a recent Play Services update, 2 new apps appeared on Android phones. One is fine, but the other, that is the problem. That is our target today. When I checked it myself, I saw it checking files without my gallery permission. Google claims this is an on-device process, but why should we take the risk? So let's start the work right now without delay. Keep your eyes on the screen. If you miss any step, the whole thing will fail. First, find the Messages app on your phone home screen and open it. This usually works as the default messaging app from Google. Remember, our first job is to check the protection settings inside this app. After opening the app, give it a moment to load all content. Now, tap once on your profile picture in the top right corner. From here, we will get the chance to enter the main security options. After the profile menu opens, go to the Messages settings option at the bottom. Do not worry seeing many options. I am here, just stay with me. Our main goal is to ensure your device privacy. If you scroll down a bit, an option called Protection and Safety will catch your eye. Most people do not even know it exists. That is the biggest problem. It is very important to see what state it is in on your phone first. Now open the Protection and Safety section and look at the Manage Sensitive Content Warnings option inside. This works by automatically blurring sensitive photos in your messages. But think, to do this, the system is scanning your personal photos all the time, your gallery, your memories. If you want full control over your private data, you need to be aware of its activities. Now we will remove this scanning app forever from the phone's main settings. After finishing the work in the Message app, go back to your phone's main settings app. We will now enter deep into the system where this secret app is hidden. Scroll down and tap on the Google option and open the All Services tab at the top. This is where Google organizes all its system-level tasks. You think the phone is yours, but without entering these settings, the real control is not in your hands. Now go to the very bottom of the list and tap on System Services. Here you will see the list of all Android System Core files and apps. You will find 2 new apps here. One is Android System Safety Core and the other is Android System Key Verifier. Keep in mind, you will see 2 apps, but we will only touch one. I will tell you in a bit why we are keeping the other one. Now select the Android System Safety Core app and click directly on the uninstall button to confirm deleting it. How does it feel? Doesn't it feel a bit lighter? It did for me, but remember, do not delete the Android System Key Verifier app because it protects your messages from hackers. Google sometimes gives many updates that happen without us knowing. If the video was helpful, give it a like. That is my biggest reward. And see if this is on your friend's phone too. Share it to let them know.